don't know what you heard about me. I don't know what you heard about me. I don't know what you heard about me. Now my motherfucking
Thank you for watching part 2 of building a bespoke boot frame. Obviously the YouTube stuff for us is mainly kind of interest and entertainment based. If you do want to take it a step further and actually learn some of the techniques and skills involved, we are offering tutorials. I'll put the link for that in the description. Make sure to subscribe as well to this YouTube if you want more of the entertainment-y stuff, and enjoy. Thank you.